Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. And in this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of the MyBook. It's a Western Digital external hard drive. It's a 4 terabyte, and this can be used for like the Xbox or for computers or whatever. So let's go ahead and see what comes inside. Okay, so this is the external hard drive itself. Just cut myself, so just be careful when you open it. And what comes with it is the USB cable that you use to plug it in, the AC adapter, and that's everything from the box. And then this is the connection here. If you can see everything that's on there, that's where you plug it in, that's where you plug in the AC. And it's a 4 terabyte hard drive, so it's pretty cool. And just be careful when you open it. Like I opened it with a knife and just cut myself a little bit by accident. So hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave any comments and let me know what you think. Let me go ahead and turn it on.